Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute and I know y'all tired of seeing these miracle knots, but today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to maintain them. As you can see, I did go ahead and do one side, so now I'm just gonna show y'all how I did that. Okay, so right now it's looking like a little bird's nest, so we're just gonna take that out and we're gonna finger detangle, trying to get as many kinks out as we can. And then we're gonna go in with our spray bottle. I did use warm water and conditioner. You can use a leave-in of your choice, but I just used some regular conditioner. After spraying the hair down, you're just gonna go in with a detangling tool of your choice. I did go in with this unbrushed dupe and I really like this. So I just detangle starting from the ends and work my way up to the roots. And to make it a bit easier, I did just split that section into smaller sections and then just work on that. To get those really tiny knots out, I go in with a rat tail comb and just comb it out again from the ends to the roots. That is the only way that I was able to get those little knots out. After that, I do go in with my oil and just seal in that moisture, making sure to get the hair coated from roots to ends. And then you're gonna go in with the foam or mousse that you like. I found that the foam and mousse works better than like curling creams on this hair. So yeah, I just like to go in with those, and then I like to define each curl. And this is what I mean by defining each curl. Like I just go in and I do the shingling method, and then that helps me define the curls. Also, I forgot to mention that this is the Burmese curly feather crochet hair from QVR hair, and I believe it was like 18 to 20 inches. I will also link the video of me installing this style in the description box below. And as you can see, I just went ahead and finished up that side, and at the end I just go in with the diffuser. You can let the hair air dry, but I like to diffuse it about 70% and then let the rest air dry. And here is the final look, and I'm not gonna lie y'all, it did take me like 2 hours to detangle this hair using this brand. I did use another brand and it was a little easier, but yeah y'all, this is the final look and here's what it's looking like. Still super cute and juicy. And here's just an up close view. As you can see, it's super shiny, super moisturized, super bouncy. Yeah y'all, so this is like the best way that I like to moisturize and maintain my miracle knots. Also, this is the amount of shed hair that I lost during the process. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.